Hello my dear students. Today we are going to deal with the following standard. 1.3. In this standard, we are going to recognize roots and affixes and guess meaning of unknown words. Take care, because this standard is one of the most important standards that you will meet in the national tests. We will start with affixes. What are affixes? Affixes are additional syllables placed either at the beginning or at the end of words. Why? Why do we add them? We add them to modify the meaning of these words, to change them from verbs to nouns, from nouns to verbs, to adjectives, and so on. What will happen if we add these syllables to the beginning of words? They will be called prefixes. At the end of words, they will be called suffixes. So take care with me. Today's main purpose is to study suffixes. They are additional syllables added to the end of words to modify their meaning. Here are examples. These examples, in fact, are from previous years. Do you remember when we add s and es? Yes. For two reasons. With verbs, we make singular, and with nouns, we make plural. Ed. Who can tell me? Yes, thank you very much. We add ed for verbs only to make past. Est, thank you very much. Now you are working with me. Est with adjectives. Why? To make the superlative form, to make the tallest, the shortest, the biggest. Thank you. Now let's move to 4 new suffixes. The first time to meet them this year. What are they? Every one of these will be attached to a number of words. Let's see the words now. They are in fact 16 words. In these 16 words, we want to add each of these syllables to some of them. So, take care with me. Take care of what? Take care of words which are mainly verbs. Like what? Like enjoy, verb. Take care of the word wonder, because it's sometimes verb and sometimes noun. Take care of the word tradition, which is mainly a noun. So, 3 things we see now. We see noun, we see verb, and we see both noun and verb. If we add these to the words, we change them into adjectives. So why do we add these suffixes? To, thank you, change into adjectives. Now let's move to the next slide. The first one is AL. If we add the AL to the 4 words tradition, tropic, culture, nature, we change the meaning and we change from noun and verbs into adjectives. But what do we mean? We mean by AL that this word will have the form or character of. So we will form traditional, we form tropical, cultural, and natural. But take care with me. Take care of what? What will happen to this E? We will remove, and this E we will remove. Why? Because we will add the A. Okay? Now, let's move to the next slide. And another set of words. Color, peace, wonder, beauty. Again, here we have a Y. And full. What do we mean by full? Yes, we mean by full of. Has a lot of. So colorful, full of color. Peaceful, full of peace. Okay, so now with the 4 words, and now again with the Y. Y will be replaced by I. So before putting the FUL, we will change Y to I and then add syllable. So let's move to the next selection. The next selection, danger, adventure, mystery, luxury. And of course OUS, which means the same, full of. Danger, dangerous, full of danger. Adventure, adventurous, full of adventure. What do you think about these letters? Why and why? Exactly. Thank you. Before we add the OUS, we change each one of these into I. So we have dangerous, adventurous, mysterious, and luxurious. Let's move to the last set of words, which are enjoyable, reasonable, forgettable, believable. What do we mean by this syllable? Capable of, worthy, reasonable, capable of using his reason, his mind, and so on. But let's see now: enjoyable, reasonable, forgettable, believable. Please be with me now. As you see here, we have, yes, what are these? They are double T. But here only one T. Why? Because here we have E and here we have A, so we must double the T. That's right. And the word believe ends with E and will start with A, so we will remove the E. Okay? Now, 4 groups of words make 16 words. What will we do next? We will see these words and try to read them. While we are reading them, please think about their meaning. Repeat after me, please.
Traditional,
natural,
wonderful, adventurous, cultural, enjoyable,
believable,
luxurious, dangerous,
colorful,
peaceful,
reasonable,
beautiful, mysterious, tropical.
Okay, thank you. Who can help me now and make a sentence for me? Choose the word and make a sentence. Yes, you. What word will you choose? Dangerous. Yes. What will you say? The tiger. Yes. This is a good sentence, in fact. The tiger is a dangerous animal. Good. Another student with another sentence, please. Yes, you. What word will you use? Wonderful. Yes. I had a wonderful trip. Yes, but let me know, where did you go? To London? Yes, okay, that's right. Now with the last word. Who could help me with the last word? Peaceful. Yes, Ali, you like to sleep a lot. This is a good sentence also. Ali had a peaceful night. Yes, that's enough. Thank you very much. Yes, let's move to the exercises. Number 1. Read, please. We went to a forest last summer. It rained all the time. In this space, what will we add? Tropical? Yes, let's see tropical. Thank you very much. How did we know that it's a tropical? Tropical, of course, because he says it has a lot of rain. Of course, luxurious will not be good. Why? Because luxurious means feeling comfortable, and this is not in our state here. But let's try luxurious. So let's return again to the right word, tropical. Next one. There are many places to visit in Qatar. Qatar has a lot of places. Many of them are, yes, that's right, culture. Cultural means full of culture, has many aspects about nation. Let's move to the next example. My father bought a car. It had all the accessories I have ever seen. What? Traditional? How come? See? Oh, the accessories. A lot of accessories. So it must be what? Yes, thank you very much. Now, with the last one. I told my brother to be. His anger will do nothing to his problem. He has to use something. He has to use his mind. He has to use his reason. So he has to be... Yes, thank you very much. I hope that you have understood what we have told you today. Take care. Let's remember, today we have studied Standard 1.3. We studied exactly the suffixes. Next time, we will continue, but we will continue with what? We will continue with prefixes. So, please, study well, answer your question and paper well. Until we meet again, thank you very much, Mr. Ayman Kilany.